तानाशाह सरकार है, न जनता की आवाज सुनना चाहती है, न अपने सांसदों को मिलना चाहती है, कुछ नहीं करना।
Congress leaders led by Rahul Gandhi marching to the Rashtrapati Bhavan were stopped by the police before a small delegation was allowed to enter the presidential palace to submit to President Ramnath Kovind a memorandum seeking his intervention for the withdrawal of the farm laws, against which thousands and lakhs of farmers have been protesting near Delhi for nearly a month now. However, despite the prohibitory orders and Section 144 which was put in place, Congress leaders continued with the march, and thus Delhi police has taken several Congress leaders including General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Kumari Shailaja, Dipender Hooda, KC Venugopal, etc. into preventive custody and sent them away in a bus to a police station after they were stopped. They are expected to be released shortly. Before starting the march from central Delhi's Vijay Chowk, Rahul Gandhi met with senior Congress leaders at the party headquarters where leaders gave speeches on the farm laws. Congress leaders wanted to march to Rashtrapati Bhavan and submit an appeal which has 2 crore signatures urging his intervention for repealing the 3 controversial farm laws. The trucks full of boxes containing papers signed by 2 crore farmers were seen outside the Congress headquarters prepared to be driven to Rashtrapati Bhavan. However, only 3 leaders from the party were allowed to meet the president. Among these 3 Congress leaders who met president included Rahul Gandhi, Ghulam Nabi Azad and Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. On the other hand, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who sat on road in protest against the police decision of not allowing them to take out the march, said that any dissent against this government is classified as having elements of terror. We are undertaking this march to voice our support for the farmers, she said. Shortly thereafter, Priyanka Gandhi once again hit out at the centre, calling the government a sinner. Sometimes they say we are so weak that we don't qualify as opposition, and sometimes they say that we are so powerful that we have made lakhs of farmers camp at the border of Delhi for a month. They should first decide what we are, she told the reporters from inside the green DTC bus in which she and other Congress leaders were kept and were taken to the police station. It is a sin to use the kind of names they used for the farmers. If the government is calling them anti-nationals, then the government is sinner, she also added. Let us hear what Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said.
तानाशाह सरकार है, न जनता की आवाज सुनना चाहती है, न अपने सांसदों को मिलना चाहती है, कुछ नहीं करना। जिम्मेदारी लेनी पड़ेगी। सरकार 5 सालों के लिए, 6 सालों, 7 सालों के लिए नहीं चल सकती। अगर आप सिर्फ विपक्ष को हर चीज की जिम्मेदारी दे रहे हैं, आपकी जिम्मेदारी है। किसानों की आवाज को सुनना आपकी जिम्मेदारी है, सरकार की जिम्मेदारी है। इस जनता के प्रति सरकार जवाबदेह है।
सर मेरा आखिरी सवाल है, ये पहली बार नहीं है और प्रेसिडेंट से पहले भी अपोजिशन पार्टी नहीं जीती है, ये दूसरी बार है। कोई ना कोई हल निकलेगा, आपको क्या लगता है? हाउ होपफुल यू आर?
देखिए, हल तब निकलेगा जब सरकार किसान की आवाज सुनेगी, तब हल निकलेगा।
Hello everyone, HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our Super Supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.